On today's episode, we've got Kelly, or Mom, over here. Say hi.
Hi guys.
So we're out here in Rockingham, North Carolina at Rudy's Spring Jam. It's the ODSS series. Of course, in classic Rudy's fashion, we get rained out on a Saturday. On a Friday, my truck breaks down on the way here. That's how it works. Every time we come to North Carolina, my truck has something that it wants to do wrong. So we lost a water pump, so we're a little bit late in getting a video going. Friday we got out here about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Adam, and we went straight to just running trucks. We got lots of footage on here, so you guys will see that. We're kind of doing this backwards. You guys scattered a drive shaft. We had another one, Ghetto Fog it to 800 plus horsepower, 870 horsepower for 6.7. So it's been quite the eventful weekend so far, weekend show. Also, we bought a truck. So you're gonna take a road trip with us. We're gonna drive that son of a bitch from North Carolina to Gillette, Wyoming. It's a 12 valve, a 95 12 valve, clean as a whistle. Runs really good, really nice interior. With how many miles, Adam? 305,000. And we're gonna drive it cross country. And you're gonna help us. Well, maybe not. You're gonna cheer us on.
Yeah. But if anybody does see it on the side of the road, please help.
If you see it on the side of the road and we're not there, tow it to your house, call me, I'll pay you a reward. Keith, the cameraman, will be getting lots of footage for you today as well, okay?
About to change my life, man, I can't stop. People said I couldn't do it, but just fucking watch.
Ram is having some technical difficulties. It sounds like it's about to blow up when it runs. Me and Kim are now sitting on the sunroof in the truck, so if it runs again or any other truck, if it blows, like if that thing runs right there, that white one, if it blows, then we can just drop down and we'll be just fine.
that's a wrap for Rudy's Spring Jam. It was our first show with our dyno, and it was a freaking blast. We have so much footage that you guys are going to get to see on this video and future videos. I think our highest horsepower was Ultramatic Diesel Performance out of Virginia. They made 1415, I want to say, on their 4th gen or 5th gen Cummins. Can't remember what it is. We also had a 6.0 brake 4 digits from Pierce Diesel Performance. That was pretty badass. Scattered a drive shaft on an Alumaduty. I think we popped at least 5 sets of head gaskets. Our next show is Mother Road Mayhem in Neosho, Missouri. And then after that, we will be home for about 2 to 3 weeks, and then we're on the road for about a month up in the Northeast. Anyways, on this road trip, Blue Jeans lost the primary water pump, so that sucked. We lost half of Friday at the show because of that, more than half. We didn't get to the track, Rockingham Dragway, until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we got rocking and rolling. Ran trucks until about 11 o'clock that night, and it was an absolute blast. Pierce Diesel Performance, I think they're like the kings at ghetto fogging. That's what they do. I thought it was awesome. They ran a 2020 6.7 Power Stroke with a Precision 68 that made 680 horsepower, and then from there they ghetto fogged it to 870 horsepower. So it was a pretty good time. We want to give big thanks to all of our supporters, those that ran on the dyno. Can't thank you enough for supporting us, supporting what we do. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. So really appreciate that. Appreciate the invite from Rudy's. Rockingham Dragway, what an awesome complex. Be sure to click like, subscribe, give us a follow on all of our social medias. We look forward to the next thing we're gonna do. We're gonna showcase what it's like to drive a 300,000 mile truck cross country on the old 9512 valve. We're gonna see what it's like.